So in this video I'll demonstrate what happens if you run into the E516 or 517 fault, which is low gas pressure. Basically this will come up if you run out of gas or if the gas pressure is getting low in the gas cylinder. First of all, you need to make sure that you switch off the heating and the hot water so that the fault goes away. If we reset this fault 4 times, the boiler will go into a lockout mode for 15 minutes and we won't be able to do anything. And if we reset it now, because the gas cylinder is empty, it will come back up again. So we need to select the top left menu, which is the temperature control, press the button and rotate the dial in the off position anti-clockwise, press it, and as you can see the triangle has disappeared, which means it has no faults at the moment. If you are in the middle of a field and not at a campsite, you won't be able to select other power source. So if you have run out of gas, you need to make sure that both the temperature control and the water temperature control is in the off position. Otherwise you will overload the boiler with errors and it's just a lot more complicated to clear them. Once you've refilled the gas, then you can just select the desired temperature. So right now we filled up our gas bottle, so we can just turn on the gas again. As you can see, the power source is the gas bottle there, and soon the startup sequence will start and we should not see any error codes in the next 10-15 seconds. And if that happens, then the motorhome will just get some heat in the next 10-15 minutes.